You have never built a marketing system from scratch before. Good. You will build the right one, in the right order, because the people who built one before you usually built the wrong one first. A marketing system is not a campaign, not a brand book, not a job description. It is a closed loop with 5 stations. Every business runs the same 5. A one-person bakery, a Fortune 500. The size of the loop varies. The stations do not. Here are the 5, in build order. Build order matters more than any single station. Station 1. The listening post. How you find out what your market actually wants. 3 customer conversations. 1 search trend report. 1 competitor you watch every Monday. That is enough. You are not running market research. You are pointing your ear at the market and writing down what you hear. Listen for what they bought instead, what they almost canceled, what they wish was different. Specific words. Their words, not yours. Station 2. The promise. 1 sentence. Who you are for, what changes for them, and why you over the alternative. If you cannot say it in 1 sentence, you do not have a promise. You have a slogan. Station 3. The surface. The smallest collection of owned places where the promise is visible. Homepage. 1 profile. 1 repeated piece of content per week. 3 things, not 30. The surface is where the promise meets a stranger. Station 4. The funnel. The path a stranger walks from saw it to paid you. Write it down in 3 to 5 steps, not a CRM diagram. A sentence each. If the path has more than 5 steps, you are over-engineering. Cut. Station 5. The feedback dial. 1 number that tells you the system is working. Not impressions, not followers. The single operational metric that maps to revenue, qualified inquiries, repeat purchases, signed proposals. 1 number, watch it weekly. The closed loop runs station 1 to 5, then back to station 1. The dial tells you what to re-listen for. You go back to station 1. The same activity, smarter. The system tightens. Build order is sacred. Every owner who has never built one before wants to skip to station 3 and start with a logo. Resist. A logo without a promise is decoration. A surface without a listening post is a guess. The smallest complete marketing system is built in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Build it once. Run the loop. The system gets better because you are listening.